Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today is another session about how to use ChatGPT to create a VBA code that helps us to create a summary table of the top 5 records to different data sets. Today's business case is also very straightforward. So we still have the 2022 employee records and the 2023 employee records. And in both share, we want to get the top 5 earning employees, and we want to do some analysis over those data. So if you do that in Excel, you can see this is basically how I filter for my employees. I basically need to copy this into a new sheet, and then I do the same thing in 2023. So now with the help of ChatGPT, let's see if we can do this in ChatGPT with just one click. Okay, so here is the instruction I give ChatGPT. Create VBA code in a new sheet. Show the rows of the 5 salaries in sheet 2022 and 2023. Okay, now go back to Developer tab, View Code, and let's paste in our code. So here, let's see what this code is talking about. It set a new spreadsheet, which we will paste in the top 5 salary employees, and it finds the last row in each sheet. That's fine, and it's assuming salary is in column B, which is not. It's actually in column G. So let me count. So it's 7 columns, so I need to change the reference here to 7 because that's column 7. And then in terms of the name, I assume employee name is in column A. It's not. It's actually in column B, so I will change that to 2. And I will need to do the same thing for 2023 as well. So I change this to 7 and change this to 2. Okay, so everything else looks all right. And then in the new spreadsheet, I'm gonna see first employee name, and then second salary, and then third the year. Okay, everything looks good. Let me save it and run the data. Okay, cool. So it's given me the employee name for 2022. So that seems to be the top 5 in 2022, and that's for 2023. Now let's just do a quick check to see if that's exactly the right record. If we come back to 2022, filter for the top 5, and we can paste this back in here, and let's see if we have the right people. Perfect, we do. Okay, let's do the same thing for our 2023, and same thing, employees. So you have Amber, Travers, you also Lynn. Voila, exactly. So this is actually just the line of code that can give you the summary table of year-over-year comparison of the top 5 salaries with just one click. Okay, so that's everything I want to share with you today. If you want to learn more about how to create a VBA code or how to code with ChatGPT, I have two playlists down below for your reference. I will also paste the macro code down below in the description so that you can copy it and test it for your own purpose. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.